Kahit di pa lang siya nag-tote bag. Diyos ko.
Sobrang straight na siya. Sobrang straight din ang
Hi, it's currently Christmas. Alas ako. Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. I know. I don't know where I'm going yet. Pero, I know na kailangan rin ako matutulog tonight. We're gonna drink. Christmas sabad. Parang every Christmas din naman kasi nasa kanila. I did my nails. You said, hindi na check. Isa. Ayan. I'll see you later. Hindi ako nag-film dalawang araw. Kasi wala rin naman akong ginawa. So, I'll see you.
Camera sensor! Point 5. Kasi, ang ganda ng background talaga. Like, as in, kahit hindi ko makita yung sarili ko, basta alam ko kita tayo dalawa. Mag-vlog din siya. Makikita lahat ang facial expressions ko dito. Kaya ayoko minsan nag-retouch siya.
Hindi, inayon niya ako magsilaman sa June. June kasi wala nang pasok. Diba? Kasi gagawin niya ng August ulit, diba? August yung food. Kasi yung ako, sa isa namin kasi may bahay, may apartment sa Ibrahim. Hindi, but yun ang kasi naman niya eh. Kasi Singapore, kasi na alam niya lang sa OFW. Tapos, dun din kami matutulog. Tapos, libre niya daw Universal Studio namin. Yung parang full day out.
Isha. Okay lang, steps ka. Sabi mo 6. Show it to the...
Si Asia.
When are you gonna come back?
Libre house job kay Nika. Nagaganyan siya. Tapos natamaan ako sa mukha. Oh my God. Wala talagang vlog na lumalagpas na hindi nakikita sa Asia. Napunta kami ex.
Walang ano? Vlog na?
Vlog ko na hindi featured sa Asia Lunch.
Walang vlog.
Na hindi kasali sa Asia. Pupunta kami ex.
dapat kakain kami. Pancake house lang dapat. Tapos biglang sabi niya, parang gusto ko mag-ukay. Sabi ko, sa expo, yung malaki. Kasi hindi kaya tayo ma-overwhelm dun. Kasi 2 floor siya. Tapos malaki talaga siya. Kasi dati siyang supermarket.
Supermarket.
Oo, na ginawang ukayan. I don't know if tama ba yun. Pero ayun nga.
Cubao Expo ka lang, ano ba yung history ng Cubao?
Wag ako sisihin mo? Wag ako sisihin mo? Kinento lang sa akin.
Kapunan na na tayo, kadala-dala.
So we're going sa Ukay. Hindi na kami kakain. Ay, don't know. Baka. Let's see. I don't know what time open nun eh. Dude, that's bigger inside. Hi, it's January 6, 5:48 a.m. I'm ready to go to school. I just did my makeup and my hair, so yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to change my earrings. I didn't go to school yesterday because I wasn't feeling too good. But yesterday was our first official class, so yeah. I'm so sick actually, but I have to go to school because even though I don't want to go back there. I want to go back there more, but I have to. Just a few more months, right? A few more months. Yesterday, me and Nika went to just a little summary from yesterday. Me and Nika went to drop off her brother at school, and then we went jogging. And after jogging, we were planning to eat, but then she said she wanted to drift. So we went to Cubao, the one with the big ukay. She was so overwhelmed though, because there was so many things to choose from. Like, it was so big actually. I was overwhelmed as well. Then we were planning to go to Makati. Dapat. Pero hindi na lang kami tumuli kasi malayo doon. Plus, magtatampo si Yana. I get that. I don't know what you eat to bring. It's really soup. And probably hydrogloss. Hydrogloss? No. Lip oil. One from Caroline. And maybe I won't bring the tin. Just two. So yeah. I need to go. Because I want to walk. And it's 5:59. I'll see you at school or when I'm walking or whenever I feel. Hindi ganyan talaga sa
Partida na yan ah. Late pa ako ah. Ano yun? Tapos na ito.
Long time no good na.
Nasaan na yung naging... Ay, wala. Nasaan? Wala pa. Nauna pa tayo? Nauna pa tayo? Nauna pa siya. Nauna pa tayo. Nauna pa tayo. Ang galing. Ang galing. Magbablog daw siya. So, it's like 7. Magsa 7 tayo. Wednesday, January 7. We're going to Paula. Ayun. He's gonna try vlogging now. Kasi while we were getting ready, nanonood siya ng vlog ni Kyla T. Ayun. Sabi niya, parang gusto ko mag-vlog. Okay. Go ahead. Diba? Ayun. She's gonna try vlogging. So, we'll see you at Rockwell or dun sa place. I don't have classes today, so buti na lang. Diba?
Saya.
So, kailan siya magbabayad? Here. We're walking towards the hospital. Sakto. Sakto lang. He's gonna vlog though. Cute. This is Xiaomi. This is Xiaomi. Ano siya? Sa teka, ano siya? Ikagpad, puppy. And I'm struggling a little bit. Joyce, nakalimutan lang kasi may
while doing our makeup.
Hindi ako nakapag-skin tint or foundation.
Powder lang to.
Sa'yo mo sa limit ko.
Sa best of daw. Casting ng Disney Princess Leza.
Go for it. Hi, we just finished eating.
Kasi mas maganda nga. Si Ana hindi ko makarin.
I just got home from Expo. I was with Mika and Ashel and Diana. I'm gonna be ending the vlog here because I was filming like 3 weeks. It was only supposed to be like a 2-week like vlog, but I got a little. My mental health isn't that great, so I'm ending it here. I hope you had fun watching, even though I know this is just a short vlog. But yeah, I don't know. It's just the start of 2026. Very. It wasn't for me. It's only been 8 days since 2026 started, but I'm already done with this year, so I'm just gonna rest right now, and yeah.